Hello and welcome to Maximity's Next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and this video is about XLOOKUP. In last week's video, I showed you how to create a drop-down list of products. This week, I'm going to show you how we can use this list and XLOOKUP to return the relevant prices. If you've been using Excel for a while, you may have heard of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP allows you to search a data range that's set up vertically, and HLOOKUP does the same thing but where the data range is set up horizontally. XLOOKUP searches data both horizontally and vertically. In the empty cell where we want our prices to be displayed, we'll type equals XLOOKUP and an open bracket. The first section of the formula is the lookup value. This is the cell that we want the function to look at and then find in the table. We're going to click on the cell with our drop down in. The idea being, once we select an item from the drop down list, XLOOKUP will read what this cell says, find it in the table and then return the price next to it. With your drop down cell selected, type a comma to move to the next section of the formula. The next section is the lookup array. This is the full list of items that show in the drop-down box, so for this we're going to select the values in column A. Because this is a table instead of a cell range, you'll have the table header referenced instead of the cell reference numbers. Add another comma, and finally we need to specify the return array, which is the values in column B. There are 3 additional options in the formula, but as they're surrounded by square brackets, this means that they're optional and not required to return a result. Type a closing bracket, press enter, and now whenever you select a product in your drop-down list, the relevant prices will be displayed